How to free up space on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, go to iPhone Storage as shown. Now, go to the Recommendations section and tap on Show All beside it to view all the recommendations for freeing up storage. Go to the recently deleted album and tap on Empty beside it. Then, tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. This will permanently delete all photos and videos kept in the recently deleted album. You can also scroll down to view all your apps and how much space they're using up. Find an unused app from here and tap on it. For example, color text. Here, tap on Delete app below. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You can repeat this to delete other apps as well to free up storage. Following these steps, you can easily free up space on iPhone.